And a quick wardrobe change. There we go. Today, episode 6. We have 3 really interesting pieces. I can't wait to get to it. Let's jump in. Let's go! Kitty, kitty, kitty cat. Man, I love this cat. Okay, so what I'm looking for is where the eye goes right away. Like the eye, to me, it goes to the darkest, the highest contrast area, which are these 2 points here, which is fine. And this thing works on its own. I love this piece. You captured a sleeping cat. But if I wanted to see where I would maybe want to draw people's attention, I would definitely go with a little bit of a darker, just a cool shadow. Again, me with shadows across the face. I mean, that's the most interesting part. Oh, your reference had a little highlight on the nose here. It makes it to me when we have something super interesting to look at. So I kind of like the look of the way this is. It's totally up to you. But yeah, target wise now, if we want to say, well, that's where your eye's going, for sure. There's no question. I like the way you did the background, but I think I tried a little bit of a background on there. That's what you're seeing. But anyway, good job on this, man. Keep it up. Okay, this is the Omen piece. 3 crows that had just killed this little bluebird. The bluebird's guts are hanging out. Now the little chickadees are, who knows what's going to happen to them. I love this texture and color. You've got a real knack for value and color, which is just so good. This background of watercolor, this is real nice texture and some happy accidents happen for you there. Let's talk value for a minute. You have all the values in here. There's no question. You have darks and lights and middle tones. I would just say it's a bit busy and my eye's not sure where to look. It naturally goes to the biggest point of contrast, which is right here, which isn't bad if that's where you want the eyeball to go. I would say, well, let's look into this a little bit. Yeah, I love this. Look at this crazy texture. What's happening? That's so cool. Okay, let me think. I think what's bumping me is this neck. It's flat. This whole neck is kind of flattening out, and the beaks aren't as big. Like these 2 guys you did back here look great. The modeling is good. Let's make this, let's show more light and form. Oh, and the beak needs to be a bit bigger to be proportionate with these other guys. But it's a striking image, man. Look at this. It's just, there's so much story going on here. I like this. The other thing I was thinking, imagine this feels like such a rare moment. It's like I just caught this, I just looked at this through the weeds and maybe some foreground would be in here. Like I got a glimpse of this crazy scene of 3 crows, 3-headed crow over this family of blue jays. Yeah. Anyway, good job on this. Very good. Okay, the warrior piece. I believe you said this was your first transition piece to digital. So good job. All this detail. You obviously have a thing for costume and design, and which a lot of Fortnite skins are going for lots of money right now. So if this is your thing, your jam, you got a good eye for detail. What am I thinking on this? Let's talk value. I think all your values are within this range. It wouldn't hurt to get down in the darks and maybe some more lights. So everything is happening about here. Let's see what it looks like with some accent darks. Like this, see this back leg? The 2 legs are having trouble separating. I think I would maybe do something like this to get some separation going here. It wouldn't hurt. There's this. See this big head dressing? I love these horns. I just pumped up the darks, and that gave us some room to make some nice lights in there. I added some darks here just to give us some separation, a little bit of depth. Yeah, I think now we have this wider range of darks and lights, and it's for your first digital piece. I gotta say it's good. We don't need to worry about a target because this is more of a study of costume than it is a standalone art piece. But good job, man. I want to see more.